Welcome aboard, and thank you for joining us on this simulated flight experience, following flight KHV-851 from Hanoi to Phnom Penh. Today, we invite you to join us on an extraordinary aerial journey connecting two vibrant capitals of Southeast Asia. Our journey begins at Noi Bai International Airport in Hanoi, Vietnam. From runway 11, the aircraft departs and sets a southerly course toward Cambodia, with our final destination being Techo International Airport in Phnom Penh. The total simulated flight distance is more than 1,100 kilometers, with a flight time of approximately 1 hour and 24 minutes. Along the way, we will cross 3 countries and experience a spectacular aerial view across the heart of Indochina. Shortly after departure, flight KHV-851 begins its steady climb. Passing the first 100-kilometer mark, the aircraft flies over the provinces of Hanoi, Nam Dinh, and Ninh Binh, reaching an altitude of more than 5,700 meters. Far below, the landscape is shaped by rice fields, rivers, and peaceful rural communities. Approaching the 200-kilometer point near Ton Hoa and Nain, the aircraft continues to accelerate and climbs through 8,000 meters. Below us, Vietnam's central coastline stretches along the horizon, partly covered by scattered clouds. At the 450-kilometer mark near Quang Binh, flight KHV-851 reaches its main cruising altitude of approximately 36,000 feet, or 11,000 meters above sea level. The aircraft now levels off and continues smoothly southward, following a route parallel to the Truong Son mountain range before entering southern Laos. Around the 675-kilometer mark, approximately 45 minutes into the journey, the aircraft reaches its maximum altitude of 10,988 meters. From this remarkable height, passengers can enjoy an endless horizon, where the blue sky meets the vast landscapes of Indochina. Continuing across southern Laos, the flight approaches the 850-kilometer point near Stung Treng, Cambodia. At this stage, the flight crew receives clearance to begin the initial descent. The aircraft gradually descends from 11,000 meters, crossing the lush landscapes of Cambodia and following the winding course of the mighty Mekong River. Passing the 1,050-kilometer mark, flight KHV-851 enters its final approach at an altitude of approximately 4,000 meters. Ahead, the city of Phnom Penh gradually comes into view. After traveling more than 1,100 kilometers across Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia, the aircraft completes its final descent and touches down safely at Techo International Airport. Thank you for joining us on this simulated flight from Hanoi to Phnom Penh. We hope you enjoyed the journey, and we look forward to welcoming you on our next aerial adventure.